Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. I'm so excited to unbox this graphics card because I've been waiting for months to buy a new one. Currently I have a RTX 2060 Super, and I bought this just so that I can have a backup graphics card just in case my main one fails. So last week at around midnight, I was searching on new and I saw the 1650 GTX, this graphics card, in stock. So I went ahead and purchased it. I paid $381 including taxes, which is a lot for this card. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. Awesome is here. It's actually awesome to have at least this graphics card in stock. Alright, let's have a closer look here. This is the overclock edition. It has 4 gigs of video memory. Let's go to the side here. Not even much in the side, it's just some logos and labeling. Same here at the top, just says GeForce 1650. Let's go to the back of the box. Alright guys, so here are some interesting stuff here. There is some space grade lubricants in the ball bearings in the fan, and there's a protective backplate, and they have done some 144 hours of validation testing on the card, so which is really interesting. Alright, so now let's start breaking up this box. Let's take off this protective pad here. And here is the graphics card. Let's see what's inside here. Speed setup. Let's see what this is. This is not in English. I'm not sure what that is though. This is the thank you card. Thank you. And this is the setup guide. Alright, now let's open up the actual packaging of the card. This is sealed, so I'm going to remove the seal sticker here. Okay guys, so here is the actual card. It feels solid. It feels like it's a really solid design. And it has this really good copper heat transfer pipe here and the protective backplate. So this graphics card supports 3 different ways of connecting to a monitor. It supports DPI, it supports HDMI, and DisplayPort. I'm going to go ahead and remove these plastic dust caps because we're going to install this graphics card onto a motherboard. Make sure you remove this plastic cap here. I once tried to install a graphics card with this on and then realized that there's a protective cap. Make sure you remove this plastic protective film. And there's a plastic protective film here on the back plate as well. And this is the final plastic protective film that we have on this graphics card that requires removal. Alright, so I removed all the protective plastic materials found on the graphics card, and now it's ready to be installed on a computer. Alright guys, so this is my Ryzen gaming computer. I have a RTX 2060 Super, and there is an empty X16 slot that I'm going to install the graphics card into. Alright guys, so here I'm going to install the graphics card into the X16 slot. Just going to carefully insert it. Remember to release the GPU retaining clip before you try to install the GPU. Now it's time to screw the GPU in. Next I'm going to install the side expansion slot cover. I'm screwing it in, and this is the final screw. Alright, now the GPU is properly seated, and what's remaining is to connect the 6-pin PCI Express power cable, and my power supply has 2 of these, so I'm just going to install the one that is the easiest to install, which is this one. Alright, so I've finished installing the GPU, and what's next is to turn it on and see how it goes. Alright, and now let's turn on the computer and see how it goes. The 1650 GTX graphics card doesn't have any RGB LEDs on it. Here I have the Asus overclocking tool, and I have set the profile to gaming mode. The GPU clock, the GPU voltage, memory clock, everything is in its default values. And now I'm going to run a benchmark on the graphics card. I'm using Passmark benchmarking tool. So it's going to take some time until this is done, so I will jump to the end and show you guys the result. Alright, the benchmarking is over, and here we have the results. It has 8,240 3D graphics mark points. An average 1650 GTX graphics card gets 7732 marks for its 3D score, so this card does better than the average 1650 card out there. Alright, so this brings to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.